Moira grass is a really important species that occurs within the Barmah-Millewa Forest. It plays a really important functional role in ecosystems. It provides a nursery for small fish, frogs, when the areas are flooded and it's really growing and putting on its biomass. But it also provides nesting habitat for birds. It's really quite a key species in wetland ecology. It's under pressure from human impacts, from grazing from large herbivores, and also changes to the inundation regimes. And that Moira grassplains has seen quite significant decline.
In dry years, water's stored in upstream dams and it's allowed into the forest as environmental water to service the wetlands in those dry times. So arcadists are here to record what change is occurring in the vegetation as a result of pressures and a result of the watering that this wetland receives.
One of the focuses of that is looking at the Moira grass community and understanding, have we got enough water to make sure that it's fulfilling its life cycle process? Because ideally in a park like this, we want to enhance what we have. And how we monitor that is we set out a 20 by 20 metre quadrat, and then within that we throw around a 1 by 1 metre plot. And we look in that plot and measure what kind of living material we have, what kind of dieback or haying off, as you would say, is occurring, and I guess covers to make sure that it's sustaining itself.
So it's important that we monitor the environmental conditions in the wetland so we know that the watering system is working and that the vegetation is surviving.
So now we take a photo from the point at the same perspective. So we've just got images here, and then we'll just try to get that exact same angle to track the vegetation changes over time.
This is a great example of Moira grassplains behind me. This is what it should look like. And then when you look over here, you're looking at a quite degraded, still Moira grassplain community, but quite degraded. This is subject to obviously all the pressures we've talked about. There's large herbivores, there's people using the park. It just hasn't been afforded the protection of this area. And because of that, you can see we have a lot less biomass.
So the New South Wales and Victorian governments are working together with the federal government to reduce constraints on the floodplain so that the waters that are released from the dams go further and last longer in the ecological systems and improve the environment. So I'm hoping that the information gathered from the monitoring can be presented to decision makers in a way that help them make better decisions about the way water is delivered to these places and the way that the landscape is managed to improve the ecology in these very special places.